So this is how you can see responses from Google Forms. Hey everyone, welcome to our guide for Google Forms. Today you will learn how to see the responses of your forms or your questions. So go ahead and open up your browser, and then you're going to want to open up a new tab and then search for docs.google.com/forms. Once again, docs.google.com/forms. So just simply enter that out, and then you will be put to this forms screen. So all of your recent forms will be here, and if you can see your form that you want to see the responses of, just simply click on that. And now, as you can see, here are the forms. You can go ahead and add new questions, add new choices, or polls, or whatever you want to add. And as you can see, there's questions, responses, and settings. Now, obviously, we're going to want to open up responses. And as you can see, here is the responses. Now, only one person has responded, so that's why it looks a bit blank. But the more people that respond to your questions or surveys, the more pie charts you're gonna get. And since I only have one question, just to make it simple and easy, I just have one pie chart with 100% on one of the answers. So yeah, that's pretty much how you can see responses. Just go ahead and edit your question or your forms and then tap on responses. So thank you for watching. Don't forget to leave a like, subscribe, and let us know in the comments if the tutorial worked or if you have any questions. Thank you and goodbye.